In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Higgsfield AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, with no confusion along the way. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Higgsfield AI. Typing the full product name into your search bar is usually the fastest way to land on the right page. Take a second to scan the results and make sure you're heading to the official website. Look for the correct brand name, familiar visuals, and a secure connection indicator in your browser. Once you see the official result, click on it to open the site. From the home page or landing page, find the option to sign up or log in. You want to get into your account, so choose the button that takes you to your account dashboard and enter your credentials if prompted. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your workspace or home screen. Next, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page and hover over your profile icon. This is typically a small avatar or initial. Click it to open the account menu. In that menu, select Personal Profile. This will take you to your account details page where all your user settings live. On the profile page, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find the section labeled Danger Zone. This is where high-impact actions are grouped, and it's designed to prevent accidental clicks, so proceed carefully. Read the notes in this section so you understand what will happen when you delete your account. Deletion is usually permanent and may remove your data and access, so make sure you're comfortable moving forward. Before you can continue, you'll see one or more checkboxes acknowledging that you understand the consequences. Tick those boxes to confirm you've reviewed the warnings. This step helps ensure you're deleting the correct account and that it's intentional. With the boxes ticked, click the red Delete Account button. The button is red to indicate a final, irreversible action. After clicking, a confirmation prompt will appear. Carefully review the message, then confirm the action when prompted. This is your last chance to back out if you changed your mind. Once confirmed, the system will begin processing the deletion. You may be signed out right away, and your account access will end. If the page doesn't update immediately, give it a moment or refresh your browser. That's it. You've successfully navigated to your profile, found the danger zone, acknowledged the risks, and completed the deletion. Thanks for following along.